Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making a Memorial Day arrangement. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel or social media links is in the description. On to the video. You will need a couple American flags. I got this blue flower stem. I don't know what it's called. I got it at Walmart. I got me a single rosebud. I got that over at Michael's. I got these white carnations over at Walmart. And a vase I got over at Hobby Lobby. On with the project. The first thing I'll be doing is I'll be putting in the carnations. You don't have to cut them, I already checked. You're going to have to cut the rows though. Now I don't know if I'll be able to use all of these or not. But now you're going to have to cut the rows. I'll show you how to do that. I want it about there, so cut it right there. I cut the rows already, so it's at the proper length. Now I'll show you how I put it in the vase. Now I'm going to put the rows in the center of the carnations, like so. Now we have to cut, I'll pull it up a little bit more. There we go. I'll show you, it's up a little bit more. And now we got to cut this one down too. Now when you get to cutting it, you want to make sure it's up like that. So you got to see on the bottom where to cut it. That's how much I cut it off originally. See? I cut it off a little bit more because I want it lower. Now I'll show you what it looks like putting it in the vase. Now you put it in the vase and back. You shove it all the way down. I turn it this way a little bit. I want it kind of in the center. There we go. Now, all I got to do is put the flags in there. So I'll put the flags in now. We're going to have two. One on this side. And one on this side. Come on. There we go. Now, I'll show you the arrangement. This is what it looks like done. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like, share, and make sure you press the notification to get notified. Thank you for watching.